Let's convert a measurement given in inches to centimeters. In this example, we are converting 9/16 inches to centimeters. We'll use the conversion factor that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This method can be applied to all measurements given in inches that need to be converted to centimeters. The conversion factor between inches and centimeters is very important. 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is a crucial number to remember whenever you're converting from inches to centimeters. Let's set up the problem. We have 9/16 of an inch. We want to convert this to centimeters using the conversion factor. To do this, we need to multiply 9/16 by the conversion factor of 2.54. Let's carry out the calculation. We multiply 9/16 inches by 2.54 centimeters per inch. This way, the inches cancel out, leaving us with centimeters, which is the desired unit. So we calculate 9/16 times 2.54. Let's calculate the result. First, multiply the numbers. 9 times 2.54 is equal to 22.86. Then divide by 16. Finally, we find that the result is approximately 1.42875 centimeters. So 9/16 of an inch is approximately 1.42875 centimeters.